Blizzard International there.
Yeah, Blizzard International, and this is Lucian as a messenger. Run it!
Yeah, I'm missing you. Talk to you, but it's not the same as touching you. And every time you whisper my name, I wanna run to you. We'll be together, and it won't be long, it won't be long, but it seems like forever, yeah. And it's hard on my own, baby, 'cause I'm missing you now. And it's driving me crazy, 'cause I'm needing my baby. I'm missing you now.
International
Yeah. Can't wait another long year, baby, 'cause I'm missing you now. Oh, needing you right here by my side is all that I can do. My arms around my pillow at night, they should be holding you. I was much
Yeah, Blizzard International,
stronger.
and this is Lucian as a messenger.
How could I know? How could I know? But it seems like forever, and it's hard to be strong, baby, 'cause I'm
International, and this is Lucian as a messenger.
Oh, na 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 na, yeah. Trying to get your attention. Call you at work, can't get your extension. Where is my gate pass to your heart, girl? Do I need to write security in order to get an entry? Or do I need to break the lock on your vault? But I'm a patient man, I understand. I wanna know, what is your plan? Must I wait, and for how long? Put an end to this frustration. See you and your friends, them flirting, trying to get me hurting. But don't you see my flex is so smart, girl? As the world keeps turning, my love for you keeps on burning. Am I always in your thought? Cut me a key, give me a gate pass to your heart, yeah. Give me your number so we can make a start, yeah. Cut me a key, give me the gate pass to your heart, girl. Give me your number.
Whoa, whoa. Oh, baby, I would have given you all my heart, but there is someone who tore it apart, and she has taken almost all that I what's inside. Baby, there's no reason to hide. Oh me, oh my, pretty baby, don't be shy. Oh me, oh my, I'm gonna tell you why. Oh me, oh my, pretty baby, don't be shy. Oh me, oh my, I'm gonna tell you why. Not only good looking, you like to taste so fine cuisine. For you that make vacancy, baby, you've got your PhD. Oh me, oh my, pretty baby, don't be shy. Oh me, oh my, I'm gonna tell you why. Oh me, oh my, pretty baby, don't be shy. Oh me, oh my, I'm gonna tell you why. To share you with someone else, it's growing. This love inside of me, oh, and it's showing, shining so bright. It's growing. I know this love of mine, yes, it is showing. Just can't hide. Come on, my brothers and sisters, let's not waste our time. We got to move together. Let's synchronize our minds. It's growing, this love inside of me. Oh, and it's showing, shining so bright. It's growing. I know this love of mine, yes, it is showing. Just can't hide. A prayer for you and a prayer for me. Let's live in love and harmony. Only love can set us free. It's growing, this love inside of me. Oh, and it's showing, shining so bright. It's growing.
And fiddle, still really and truly, first class. She called my name from coast to coast, telling people that she needs me the most. Whenever she passes by, she always finds herself with another guy. She even goes as far to say that I'm her superstar. But girl, oh girl, I'm not a substitute lover. Oh no, oh girl, don't take me for no substitute lover. Oh no, yeah. Whenever I call you on the telephone, there's someone to say you're not at home. Girl, you always have an alibi. It seems to me you have another guy. Don't pretend to cry your love ladder or get caught up in your rapture. You see, girl, oh girl, don't take me for no substitute lover. Oh no, ooh. Oh girl, I'm not a substitute lover. Oh no, get yourself together and
Let's make love one day at a time.
Yeah, Intl International, and this is
Honey, I know you've asked me many times. Well, if I never thought of leaving you for someone else, guess you just don't see. You mean the world to me. Never gonna hurt you, my dear. Honey, when I hear you say that I don't need you, and I'm half the man or woman without you here by my side, and I'm proud of you honestly. So how do we know from day to day sun is gonna rise? Let's take love one day at a time. Baby, don't worry, it's gonna be alright. Let's take love one day at a time. Baby, don't worry, it's gonna be alright. Honey, my love grows deeper than physical reason, and all knows that I still see doubts all over your face.
Some are talk about friend, but not just none of them. Some are talk about even them article, but some too hypocritical. Who the cat we better wear it, cause we no response. We not partial, and we not take back no chat. I am a man with a lot of ambition, and that's a fact. Me no deal with them with no low mind chat. Me no deal with them, no. Me no deal with that, see. So some are talk about friend, but not just none of them. Some are talk about you and them article, but some too hypocritical. Some when them see your potential, them come with bad intention. I stand that it a kill them, and your mind it no low like them, no. Oh no, no, ah wait, also and class, a lot of them get jealous when you're in a top place. Some this and miss, and them end up 6'6". So some are talk about friend, but not just none of them. Some are talk about you and them article, but some very hypocritical. Yeah, ooh, yeah. Class, a lot of them get jealous when you're in a top place. Oh, we who the camp fit, them better we.
You, everything I pay, you, Yesterday you walked away with no thought of today, thinking you could go along, not remembering where you're from. But it's too late now, all the doors are closed. seems like you're running out of stock, baby. It's too late now, all the doors are closed. You just don't know how the love stream goes. So when you're riding,
Watch this, Barry.
This is Lucian and Jamaica.
Who wants to live and I want to live?
God
Here
International.
I
Thought I could live without you. Thought everything would be fine. Saw nothing special about you, but still you were plaguing my mind. I used to take you for granted. You were the last name in my life. Presently you're the most wanted at the top of my line. And it was yesterday when I saw you down the lane. You and my best friend.
Jealousy
My
real.
heart felt the pain. And now I'm falling in love all over again. Yeah. How could I ever doubt that you were mine? I'm falling in love all over again.
Watch this.
How could I ever doubt that you were mine?
Barris.
Yeah.
Oh, say that big man don't cry. You never miss the water till your well run dry. Would you find it in your heart to give me one more blight? I won't abuse the situation. This time I won't lie. On my nightly conversation. Also me lullaby. Fresh squeeze orange juice. And me eggs well fried. Garments well clean. From me socks to me tie. She's a friend also a lover. That mean me not be shy. We express myself straight up to the sky. You. Oh, say that big man don't cry. You never miss the water till you well run dry. Me say, oh, say that big man don't cry.
Now I'm falling in love all over again.
It's only natural.
How could I ever doubt that you were my friend? Yeah.
whoa, 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 oh yeah. Whoa, 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 oh yeah. Oh baby, but I do anything for you, though you're not here. Since you said we're through, but it seems like years. Time keeps dragging on, and forever you've been gone. Still I can figure what went wrong. I'll still do anything for you. I'll play your game. You hurt me true and true, but you can have your way. I can't pretend each time I see you that I don't care and I don't need you. But you never see me crying, though inside I feel like dying. Oh baby, I'll still do anything for you, in spite of it all. If that's what I should do to make you happy, I can't pretend each time I see you that I don't care and I don't need you. But you never see me crying, you know inside I feel like dying. I hope you find someone who please you, someone who care and never leave you. And if that someone ever hurt you, you just might need a friend to turn to, baby. And I do anything for you. I'll give you love, if that's what I should do to make you happy. I can't pretend each time I see you that I don't care and I don't need you. But you never see me crying, you know inside I feel like dying. I hope you find someone who please you, someone who cares and never leave you. And if that someone ever hurts you, you just might need a friend to turn to, baby. And I'll do anything for you, though you're not here. Since you said we're true, but it seems like you, time keeps dragging on, and forever you've been gone. Still I can't figure what went wrong. And I do anything for you. I play your game. You earn me true and true, but you can have your way. I can't pretend
must see you, that I don't care and I don't need you, but he never see me. Someday I believe I will be someone, and I won't stop trying until I succeed. You got a fast car, I want a ticket to get you anywhere. Maybe we can make a deal. Maybe together we can get somewhere. Any place is better. Starting from zero, got nothing to lose. Maybe we'll make something. Me, myself, I got nothing to prove. Whoa, yeah. You got a fast car, I've got a plan to get us anywhere. Working at a convenience store, managed to save just a little bit of money. Won't have to drive too far, just cross the border and into the city. You and I can both get jobs and finally see what it means to be living. Whoa, yeah. You see, my old man's got a problem. He live with a bottle, that's the way he is. He says his body too old for working. I say his body too young to looking like his. My mama went off and left him. She wanted more than life than he can give. I said somebody got to take care of him, so I quit school, that's what I did. Woo, yeah. You got a fast car, is it fast enough so we can fly away? We got to make a decision. We'll leave tonight or leave and die this way. So remember when we're driving in your car, speed so fast, I felt like I was drunk. City lights stay out.
Hey baby, even though you break my heart, I still love you, and I always will. Sorry is all that you can say. Years gone by and still the words don't come easily. Like sorry, forgive me is all that you can say. Years gone by and still the words don't come easily. Like forgive me. And you can say baby, and baby can I hold you tonight? And maybe if I told you the right words, ooh, at the right time, you'd be mine. I love you is all that you can say. Years gone by and still words don't come easily. Like I love you, I love you.
It's all about you.
It ain't fine and sunshine most of the time, and the feeling's laid back. Palm tree road, rent so low, don't you know? But I keep working my way back. But I'm a Jamaican boy who's born and raised. Nowadays I'm lost between two shores. LA's fine, but it ain't home. New York is home, but it ain't mine no more. I am myself to no one there, and no one heard at all, not even the chair. I am my frog who dream of being a king. And they all became one. Except for the name, a few other changes to talk about me. The story is the same one. But I've got this emptiness deep inside, and it won't let me go. The whispers in the morning of lovers sleeping tight, oh, rolling like the thunder now. As I look in your eyes, I hold on to your body and feel each move you make. Your voice is warm and tender, a love that I could not forsake. 'Cause you are my lady, I am your man. Whenever you reach for me, I'll do all that I can. Lost is how I'm feeling, lying in your arms, when the world outside's too much to take. That's all ends when I'm with you, even though there may be time. It seems I'm far away. Never wonder where I am, 'cause I am always by your side. You are my lady, I am your man. Whenever you reach for me, I'll do all that I can. We're heading for something, somewhere I've never been. At times I am fighting, but I'm ready to learn for the power of love. The sound of your heart beating.
Spanish town, a prison oval rock. And some call it Spanish town, a prison oval rock. yeah. Way, what a cool and deadly. Hey, the people are skanking while the daughter them whining. The rude boy them tripping. Ooh, yeah. What a cool and deadly.
Yeah, yeah. I grew up in a place called La Vega, Spanish town rocking, over prison over. I grew up in a place called Ensom City, Spanish town grooving, everybody nice. Chihuahua, German, Spanish town, me born, that's where me come from. From me looking at my face, you see a De La Vegan. Well, I said, come Max and Glazer, Anti-Federation. Strictly roots and culture, play for nice station. Yo, yeah, hear me Latino youth, them on the money promoter. We are doing this, so the dance done, I'm ready. Spain town original. And my neighbors drink out over Spanish town hospital. To me mama name Nana, Spanish town original. And my papa name Kaneka, Spanish town original. And my granny name Peggy, Spanish town original. Them call her sticker cause she don't normal. For your grandson chronic such a field marshal. If I dance at school we are the principal. Yes, I am. Ooh, I met a girl this morning. She was love at first sight. Ooh, I met a girl this morning, and she was beautiful to my eyes. I asked her where she from, she tell me in the tropics. She asked me what's my name, I tell her I am Connie. And I said, girl, tell me what's your name, and she tell me that her name is Jamaica. And I said, smile, girl, smile. Smile for me, Jamaica. And I said, smile, girl, smile. Ooh, Lord, smile for me, Jamaica. And never you cry, here am I. Yeah, I'm here for you, Jamaica. Dry your eyes, girl, smile. Smile for me, Jamaica. Lord, hey, she have a rich history. A beautiful woman with the sweetest gifts. Beautiful sunrise and an evening.
Never be friends, oh no, oh no. Here I come with love and not hatred. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow I all the days of our life. Envy no one, no wish to be with no evil man. For there'll come the day when you'll be whipped by the father's hand. Leave up huge children. Oh yeah. Leave up Rasta children. Yeah. My head is anointed and my cup runneth over. Yeah. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow I all the days of our life. Yeah. Oh yeah, now. Oh yeah. All right. Here I come with love and not hatred. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow I all the days of our life. Envy no one, no wish to be with no evil man. For there'll come the day when you'll be whipped by the father's hand. Live up good children. Oh yeah.
Yeah, Blizzard International, and this is Lucian.
Yeah.
Run it.
Blizzard International there.